Please get out of here now.
That's why I recommended keeping dual camera detection enabled. The camera returns to its home position. In my case, that's my car on the driveway. As you can see, the result is very good. Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you something what can protect your house and also your car. So stay with me. So let's open and let's have a look what we can find inside there. We've got solar panel, which is quite handy because at the moment I've got other cameras, security camera around my house, which are without that clever option. Then we've got, of course, the camera itself, which is quite big and quite heavy even. Okay, let's check the weight. The weight of the camera itself, as you can see, is over 1 kilo. That's mean 36, almost 37 O's. So the quality seems to be quite good. All the lenses are protected by the foil. And as you notice, you've got two separate cameras. You've got one camera which will catch everything on the front of your house on the wide angle, and also the second one which will follow the object on the front of your house. From this side you've got some cover for USB Type-C. That means you will charge the battery from this socket. This side got another cover with a power button and a reset button, and also place for the memory card. And part of that is another box, and here we've got the mount, few cables. That's another part of the wall mount, and we've got some screw. Actually lots of them. I didn't notice that we've got two cables. So this one you can use to install the solar panel on different place when the camera, just in case if there will be no many space for the solar panel above the camera. But hopefully I can manage. Solar panel body screw kit. Okay, it's good because we got three of them. If you're gonna lose one, you can use another one. That's very simple, everyone can manage. Now the solar. Also easy peasy. Hopefully the Scottish rain will not damage the camera with the solar panel. I'm talking about that plug. Hopefully it's alright. So when you want to install the app, you can just scan the QR code from the box. Then when you open the app, you need to scan the code from the camera. Okay, it's good to do it before you will install the solar panel.
Hello.
Okay, the camera is working right now. You can see how it's moving, looking for some object around. Then connect it to your Wi-Fi. Just remember, this camera only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, not 5 GHz. Let's open the app, which is nice, clear and very easy. First of all, you've got two options. You can use cloud storage with a subscription, which you have to pay, or simply use your micro SD card and record for free. Before doing anything else, please check the update. I skipped this step at first, and the live view from the wide camera didn't work. After updating, everything works perfectly. The camera also includes built-in alarm. You can use a loud siren or choose one of the pre-recorded voice message.
Please put the package at the door. Thank you. Hey, what are you doing here? Please get out of here now.
It's a nice feature if you want to warn someone before they even reach your front door. The menu is packed with the features. You can leave everything in the full AI mode, but I don't recommend it. Every home is different. Spend a few minutes adjusting the camera for your own property. Set the home position for the focus camera adjust the mentioned sensitivity, and create your own detection zone. Those few minutes makes a huge difference. And remember, don't just copy someone else's setting. Find what works best for your home. I also find something interesting during testing. If you enable people, vehicle and the pets together, the focus camera starts following everything. Sometimes that's too much. If someone stops for a few seconds, the camera may leave them and start following a passing car's instant. For my setup, I recommended using personal detection only. That keeps the camera focused on the people instead of every passing vehicle. Tracking is good, but it's not perfect. There is a small delay. If someone walks into your property, then stands still or disappears behind the parked car, the camera returns to its home position. In my case, that's my car on the driveway. However, if someone suddenly runs out from behind the car to the house, the camera may not react fast enough. But there is good news. The wide-angle camera records everything all the time, so even if the focus camera missed something, the wide camera still captured the whole scene. That's why I recommended keeping dual camera detection enabled. The best solution is adjusting the detection distance manually. You can set different sensitivity level for each camera. Spend a few minutes finding the settings that works best for your property. It really makes a big difference. Higher sensitivity sounds great, but in reality, it usually means more unnecessary recordings, more camera movement, and more notification you don't actually need. After a few days of testing, I found that the lower sensitivity and manual setting works much better. Let's see how it performs during a day, and then we will test it again after dark. The night image is really impressive. It's clean and full of details. I also tested the detection distance at night to see how far away the camera could detect and follow me. As you can see, the result is very good. Finally, the solar panel. It is probably my favorite feature. During the last 3 days, the camera has been recording almost everything happening outside. The rotation motor has been working constantly, and the battery has stayed at 100% of the whole time. That's exactly why I prefer the solar panel. Overall, the camera isn't perfect. Tracking could be a little faster, especially when someone suddenly changed direction or disappeared behind the vehicle. But a combination of the two cameras, a separate solar panel, excellent battery life, very good night vision and plenty of manual settings make it a very capable home security camera. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more real-world tests.